Hi, this is George from Stish, from Start to Finish, the campaign ops platform, and I'm going to make this video to show you how we can upload assets in a campaign. Greetings from me and from Frida. There she is, in my arms. And let's go. In the campaigns tab, we search for the client we want the assets to upload. I want to upload them in the Google Ads campaign. I'm going to Assets, selecting the kebab menu, Add Images, selecting the platform. This is essential. Select the platform if you have multiple images to upload, because we have a limit of up to 10 image uploads. So selecting the platform, you can upload the batches of images in the same folder. Let me show you how. So a good rule of thumb is that you should downscale the images if they are too large. It's not too good to upload large images with large sizes. That's why, for example, images that are close to 1 megabyte, I try to downscale them on my computer without losing the quality. It's better that way because the platform will downscale the images on its own. And in order for you to have the best result, it's best that you downscale the images the way you like them. I told you that we have a limit of 10 images per upload. This is for bandwidth check, for bandwidth limit. And I upload now the first batch of 10. If the images are lighter, they will also upload much faster than if each of the images are over 1-2 megabytes. The best image size is around 300 kilobytes. The resolution is very good. 72 dpi dot per inch DPI is a good resolution. And either way, if you upload the images directly then in Google Ads, they will be also downsized either way. So it's better for you to have the images already optimized for web. Now we do want to add more in this 10 images in this folder. Let's rename it first. PM stands for Performance Max, since we are going to run a Performance Max campaign for this client, and I'm going to add more images without selecting the folder. The images will go, the additional images, directly in this folder, the one that we created. So let's go to the next batch of images. And you can see we're selecting again Google Ads, and you can see we're uploading them, and wait for it, they're going to land in the same folder. Great. Oh no, they didn't land in the same folder. Why is that? Let's delete it. It's because I renamed the folder, that's why. Okay, I understand now. I shouldn't have renamed the folder at the beginning. I should have done it at the end. So bear with me. I'm going to try it again. You can see how easy it is to delete folders or images. So let's do it again once more in order to get it right. Okay. Google Ads. Upload. We are at the office right now working. We have a performance studio in Athens, Greece, and we are highly skilled in ads. We outsource our services to other agencies that don't have performance marketers, and that's the reason why we built Stish, in order to keep working better, faster, easier, and having time to think, not just to copy paste and live in the platforms. So without renaming the folder now, I'm going to upload the next batch of images, selecting the lighter ones. Okay, let's see. They should land in the same folder now. Great. They did land in the same folder, and now I'm not going to keep you waiting, uploading the next batch of images. I'm going to show you how I create a task. So let's delete this one and create a new task. The task is called new PM Google Ads assets for patio. The description is create new asset groups in PM campaign of patio. I assign it to Vaso. Vaso is behind me working right now, and I want her to do it by tomorrow. I create the task. She gets notified via email. Also, here is the notification timeline. And I can also assign her a comment on it. I will make a comment. Here it is. I tap add to find it, to mention it, to tag her. And hey, check the tasks. I uploaded new assets for the PM campaign. Come on now. Okay. I press enter. No, add. And there we have also our notes. Hope you enjoyed this video and find this useful. Please comment, test, give us feedback, and also suggest new features. Thank you very much.